Are you ready?
Yeah. Daddy, one more fall.
Oh, can you fix it?
Daddy, you don't that.
Okay.
I think it's Benjamin's turn to do the drumming.
You want to drum, buddy?
Yeah.
Come over here. Whoa! Oh, I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Here you go. Go ahead. Okay, maybe we should let the cat out.
You guys are terrible.